Hey guys, welcome to another Energy Gaming video, and today we're going to be making some slime. Finley actually helped me with this.
This is the ingredients you need.
Right, bloody hell, what do you mean the ingredients?
Well, these stuff.
Mostly you need borax, which is the activator.
Then, well, not that cut way. You need water, spoon, and.
Right, look, so you need to put about.
Can't really see.
About that much borax.
That much, you can see.
Borax into
Not a lot.
1 cup. Now what you want to do is
Get some.
water, and then put about that much in, not too much.
About. That much.
And what you want to do is crush some of the borax bits so it's not really lumpy. Yeah, that'll be fine. Now what you want to do is, where the hell's the glue?
Oh. Why did you put that there? Right, and you need
Get
PVA glue.
Yeah, do not get PVA bond. That is terrible. It will just make the slime crumble up.
But don't get PVA bond then.
No, it's terrible.
So you put it. Oh. You don't put this in the cup, I guess. Jesus.
I want you to have decent size slime. Right there. Now the next ingredient I'm going to use a lot of, but you do need a lot of it, which is shaving foam. Try not to get shaving cream. You want to get shaving foam, you want to put about that much in.
Jeez.
And you want to mix it in a little bit, just get all the clumps out. What are you doing?
That's actually quite
Put that
nice
down.
to like eat, if that was a food.
So now you want to do is get this water and borax. You want to get some of the borax at a time and just sprinkle it in there, and then add some water.
So put a little bit of water in there.
So, well, at a time, not and then like when it starts,
then
it'll start to get like more.
So how he's doing it, he's just put your finger in it, get a little bit of borax, and pour it in.
Pour in the water. Sometimes you need to add more actual borax, but
Someone's going off there.
yeah, no,
It's quite a lot, Nathan.
don't worry.
I'll get it.
It doesn't matter.
I can't get it.
No, there you go.
I still got it.
Just wipe it on now. Yes. You want to start adding more water eventually, so it's more quicker. It's starting to get a little bit more clumpy.
A little bit more slimy.
Now you want to add in quite a lot. Oh, honey, I'm not even recording.
Yeah,
Look through
I
the
was trying
camera.
to get over.
I'm going to add a little bit more shaving foam. Shaving foam actually makes it get bigger. So if you want it quite big, use quite a lot of shaving foam, but just don't use too much because it'll just fail miserably.
I think this is the part where they get stuck. So you need to demonstrate how you put it in the middle of it. Do that at the end of the video.
Huh?
Like how you did that, 'cause your hand was in the way when you kept doing that.
No, what you do is get a little bit of borax out of
Yeah,
it.
like do that. Then get a little bit more, and just put it in the cup while you're making slime.
It's starting to overflow.
I'd save it.
Don't worry. Gonna get it messy.
Messy, lean on messy.
Alright, I'm gonna need to use some more borax.
No, man.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't use a lot there.
Yeah, exactly. What I'm gonna do now, what are you doing?
So look how much just came off. That's gonna save for my slime.
Yeah.
Look how I put that back in.
Now what I'm gonna do, just put quite a lot
I
on.
think that's like cocaine, trust me, it's not. And put a little bit more water in.
Oh, wait, why am I doing it from that? That's just going to be harder. Now you've added more borax, it's going to start forming more. It's starting to get more clumpy. See, look.
Yeah. A lot more clumpy. Yeah.
Crap. Loads of it's coming off.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't do it.
Why?
So you're going to keep on wiping it on that. You're just going to
I'll
make...
just wash my hands after.
Oh my god, that's expanding.
It's coming.
Yes. It's coming together.
Oh. We'll demonstrate at the end of the video what the slime will look like. And like,
What do you mean demonstrate?
like
Oh,
what?
right.
Like you've made 4, haven't you? This is your 5th.
Yeah. Mm.
Do it one more time. Go on. Do it. Oh no, it's fine then.
Normally it's because I've used quite a lot of shaving foam. See, the thing with slime, you don't want to like give up on it because eventually if you keep on using borax and water... What am I doing?
I didn't know.
There we go. It's definitely starting to come together. Eventually you want to start kneading it, which means like just handle it now. No, not now.
Coming off.
Harley, do not touch it.
I won't wipe it off this time. 7 minutes this video's been.
Already?
Yeah, 7 minutes, 10 minutes.
Alright. I need more borax. I don't know why this one's feeling miserable. Not feeling, but I think it's because of yours, Harley.
Yes, that's disrespectful. That's racist. Everyone white. I don't think you have to do exactly what Nathan's doing, like how much he's put in.
No, just the fact it's not coming together.
Should I hold that side?
No.
Oh, that's going together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm. No, Harley.
I'm
oh
saving
my
it.
god. It doesn't matter.
Why do you keep doing it?
Because it will work eventually. Yes. Harley.
Yeah.
No, I don't think my racist worked. It's starting to come. It's getting really good now.
Can I feel it?
No,
No.
it's not completely done. My masterpiece. Right.
After, guys, we're going to do a garden video.
No, Fortnite didn't.
Fortnite video, then a garden video.
Because people are getting loads of views. Fortnite. Not
Yeah.
loads, but...
Then... Okay, then... Is it very nice?
Right. Be 2 seconds.
Okay. I'm still like this. Can I quickly fill with the slime?
No, don't pick it up. You've got glue now.
Okay, don't worry about the noise. I'll keep speaking.
Right.
So I have to keep
So
speaking.
what you want to do now is get some lotion. Doesn't matter which lotion you get.
Or if you call it shampoo, whatever.
No, lotion.
Lotion.
Yeah,
You have to get lotion.
Yeah.
Lotion.
Another thing you can actually use for activator is Tide, but it's American. Tide's quite a lot of money, but you have to buy off eBay. Obviously, because it's American, but
Unless you live in America, obviously.
yeah. Which I don't think anyone does in here.
I swear, Sweet Airplane does. I'm swearing.
No, he doesn't. He lives in Arizona.
The hell is that?
I don't know. I think it's in the USA.
That's America.
Yeah, United States of America. Right.
So yeah,
Let's do the test.
is it good?
Yes. And well, I need to use some more shaving foam.
That's how much you used. 10 minutes.
Alright, can you open that for me?
What, this?
Mm.
I'm going to put the phone down a minute. Okay.
Squirt.
Oh, God.
Squirt some on there.
Tell me to stop.
Squirt then. Don't squeeze it too hard. Keep on going. Stop. Alright. I think. Oh, crap.
I'll save it in case you drop it.
Now, I think the finished product is done. Right, wait there.
Alright, it's finished. We're going to show you the demonstration quickly.
Yeah, quickly. Alright, hold it quick.
Okay.
Actually, no, wait, let me demonstrate it because I've got. So, it's still a little bit. I use a little bit too much shaving foam, but that doesn't matter. It's not as stretchy as my other ones, but
It's like,
sort of stretchy.
yeah.
Harley, oh my god.
I want to feel it. I can't wait to feel it.
Alright, that's it.
Alright.
Peace.
I want you to touch it.